when you get desperate, afraid, or angry, the higher thinking parts of your brain shut down. And you don't make good decisions. So I have found in my life, if I get greedy, if I get afraid, if I get desperate, right after that I get stupid. And right after I get stupid, I get broke. And so that's what's happening in the housing market right now. Because, oh God, the house prices are up, and oh God, the interest rates went up, and oh God, I'm never going to be able to get a house. Oh God. And once your brain starts doing that, you're getting ready to do something stupid.
Party's over. There's going to be a lot of regret, and they call into this show and go, Dave, I did something stupid.
Dave,
help me.
Where were you 3 years ago when I was doing something stupid? I was sitting right here. That's where I've been for 30 years.
They always find the show.
I haven't moved. I'm still here. And I'm still telling you the same things about money because these principles that we teach are timeless. Now, we teach people to get out of debt and stay out of debt. When it comes to a house, it's the only debt we don't yell at you for, and we always have told you, and we still will tell you, even with the house prices so high, to get a 15-year fixed rate where the payment is no more than a fourth of your take-home pay. Now, why do we do that? Just because we're killjoys? Just because we don't want life to be good for you? No, we do that because we love you.
We care about your financial future more than that banker does, more than the mortgage companies do.
We're not making money off of this. Off of you getting a mortgage or not getting a mortgage, or you getting a house or not getting a house. It's okay. We're okay. You're okay. But here's the thing. If you get in crazy mode because of what's going on out there, you're going to buy too much house, you're going to put it on a 30-year, and you're going to be stuck in the middle class or lower middle class loop, all in the name of buying a house, because buying a house is financially smart. If I can't get one now, I'll never get one.
Well, they're throwing money away, Dave. They're throwing money away on rent. That's the argument.
Calm down. It sounds like a weather forecaster when there's a tornado warning. That's the way your brain sounds. Oh, God! You know.
That's their Super Bowl. That's where they get to create all the fear.
Oh, man. So, yeah, and when your brain is doing that, so, and people do it when, the first time I ever heard it was like, okay, I live in California. Math doesn't work in California. Well, we kind of know that, but yes, it does.
For different reasons.
A lot of psychedelic drugs involved in this, but yes, it does work, yeah. So here's the thing. Speaking of California math, CBS News is reporting one of the biggest hurdles in buying a home is coming up with a hefty down payment. California has a new program to, in quotes, help first-time home buyers jump that hurdle. What do you think, George?
Oh, boy.
Keep reading. You got it.
California's Forgivable Equity Builder Loan allows first-time home buyers who have enough income for a monthly mortgage payment to borrow up to 10% of a home's purchase price to buy a house outright. The loan has an interest rate of 0%, but borrowers who don't occupy the home for at least 5 years may have to repay the loan. What a concept.
So, you can borrow your down payment at 0% from California. The new effort comes as real estate prices have hit record highs in California, and rising interest rates have pushed monthly payments up hundreds of dollars. This is the way people's brains sound. I'm telling you, I know exactly how your brain sounds, because this is how mine sounds right before I do some stupid butt stuff. It sounds like a beagle chasing a rabbit.
Is that what it sounds like?
I don't know, something like that. But I mean, your brain is shutting down.
But the numbers on this
standard down payment of 20% for a home in California could cost upwards of $100,000. Well, no kidding.
That's the thing. If you get $1 million home and they're letting you borrow up to 10% at 0% interest, so they're letting you borrow $100,000. You still then have to go get a $900,000 mortgage. And that's if your income qualifies.
Now, that's assuming you qualify. But here's the problem, okay? You can't look out there 5 years in the future and know what stupid butt stuff the state of California is going to do that makes you want to leave. And you can't leave.
Because then you have to repay that loan.
Here is the thing. So even crazy people that believe in debt are saying don't do it, aren't they, George?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Credit Karma came out and said, this is probably a bad idea.
If Credit Karma is saying don't borrow the money, this tells you don't borrow the money. I mean, this is like Jack Daniels telling you not to drink bourbon, okay? I mean, it's some bad bourbon, right?
It's got to be bad.
Oh my gosh.
And I looked into this. Your income has to be less than 80% of the area median income. And so they're saying if you're broke enough, you can then afford all of this. And like I said with the numbers, housing in California, not cheap. So even with the borrowed money, they're allowing people to borrow way more to get into homes they can't afford.
Okay, so these are less than 80, so you're 8/10 of the median, the middle income of the area.
To qualify.
So this is middle income or lower middle income people only that are going to get in this trap. Now, which are the people that can't get a house? Oh God, you can't get a house. Listen, I'm making fun of you because I know how your brain sounds. I know that some of you have a valid concern about buying a home in this market. It's scary out there. House prices have shot up like crazy. All the indications of all the data from the industry is it's going to calm down. No, it's not going to come down. It's going to calm down. And data that George and I saw in a meeting yesterday was that in 2020, house prices went up 32%. In 21, they went up, what was it?
18?
14, I think.
Okay.
And they're expecting them this year to go up 7%.
So it's slowing down.
So the rate of, and the average house price year is about 4%. Okay, over the last 25, 30 years. So we've had this huge spike post-pandemic. The spike is tapering off. There will continue to be an appreciation, an increase in value, but it will be a more reasonable. And no, you're not going to get priced out of the market if you continue to grow your career, you continue to manage money well. Are you going to buy a house right now? Probably not. You might be too broke to buy a house right now. You might be too broke to buy a car right now. You might be too broke to go on vacation right now. So don't do it.
But Dave, I gotta live my life.
Yeah, YOLO, baby, YOLO. I'm serious. All this stuff is temporary, and so calm your butt down. Don't use the emotions of the current inflationary cycle to cause you to dive off the deep end into a pool with no water. It's just don't do it. Don't do it. Calm down.